Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh meets JCs of both the communities of Nungai village, assures police outposts, appeals to the villagers of both communities to maintain peace. High Court of Manipur hears Khumram Ratan's petition, issues notice to Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West to submit records and documents for declaring Ratan as wanted. Month-long series of press conference with the head of various departments begins. DIPR says the meet is aimed to sensitize development activities taken up by the departments. MSU and large number of students stormed Directorate of Minorities and other backward classes for not providing scholarship from the year 2013 till 2016. And three-member team of PCI team arrives in Imphal on two-day visit. Team to meet with several stakeholders to discuss challenges faced by state journalists. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshubam Sangeeta with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A meeting was held today at CM Secretariat in connection with the Nungai incident. The meeting was chaired by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and attended by JCs of both the communities of Nungai along with Fisheries Minister Abdul Nasir. The meeting was held at around 4:30 this evening at CM Secretariat. The Chief Minister assured the JAC members of both the communities that a police outpost will soon be constructed. Chief Minister also appealed to the leaders of both the communities to live together in peace and harmony.
Security thamgani sarkar ki darkar lai mafamda security deploy tawgani adubo security na akoi ngakpa budi akoi masen thajanaba aduna hena nungsinana chanana leiminabado maduna hena comfortable oigani aduna hena akoi nungaibai hengani security na akoi cordon tawraga leibabudi haina akoi tawbiganu haukiba na haukhre laibak thiba leitaba khotaba yaukidaba mayamse akoi kaukthokna si jingda leiba ichinau tamda leiba ichinau akoi manipuri ngaktani akoi punamak akoi punamak sida pokpani akoi punamak sida sigadoribani.
Meanwhile, a one-day free-day health camp was organized for the villagers of Nungai who are taking shelter at Lilong Social Service Community Hall since last Saturday. The camp was jointly organized by Jenims Kanglei Park Students Association and Janura Lamjing Kanglei Park at the Lilong Panchayat Community Hall. Free medicines were distributed at the camp. On the other hand, Thamiban Sinam Lekai Naharol Laisemba Club distributed food items to the people taking shelter at the community hall. KSA Secretary Public Grievances K. Suraj appealed to the government to bring an amicable solution so that the villagers can return back to Nungai.
ngasi akoina awaba tariba mayamje matam chana soft to biramagadi ngasi suyona to biro hajaningi matam amana mungnaba amaga nakana da yana da laije government ge soibani masi matam chana control to bi ngambiramagadi ngasi makha tabje thokcharamoi aduga makha taba yam thuba yasanaba am proktragadi makha taba khongjang mayamasu sangjal loi hani aisu leijade aduna nakal ani maki biraga government na yam atuba matam yasanaba prona bajo haijari.
37-year-old Langam Ongbi Chandrajini, a resident of Nungai, taking shelter at the relief camp at Lilong Chajing, was shifted from Jenims to Raj Medicity last night. Chandrajini was admitted to Raj Medicity's high dependent unit last night after her health condition worsened at around 8:30 p.m. Yesterday in the afternoon, she was taken to Jenims Porumpat. Chandrajini was not having proper meal since the day villagers left Nungai on 2nd of June. Villagers of Nungai are taking shelter at relief camps in Lilong Chajing and Idam Sifai.
Ikoi relief camp je Lilong Chajing da ikoi mayam punama laibire Idam Sifai da khara laire aduga masa je anaba masa maksi ikoi gi inau nupini adu ma gi masa je sokchal lakpa helakpa da gi ikoi na porongpa ta pokhachare haraga porongpa ta gi si rasta yokjarakpan.
High Court of Manipur today heard the petition filed by former JC-ILPS convener Khumram Ratan on 27th of June at the court against declaring him as wanted by the State Police Department. The court issued a notice to Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West to submit relevant records and documents in connection with the declaration of Khomdram Ratan as wanted. Counsel of the petitioner, Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani said, Khomdram Ratan filed the petition at the court of Acting Chief Justice Rakesh Ranjan Prasad against the state government through Additional Chief Secretary Home, DGP, PRO, Manipur Police Department, SP Imphal West and OC Singjamai. Advocate General T.H. Ibohal and Additional Advocate General N. Ibotombi represented the respondent, while Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani, Senior Advocate Irom Lalit and Advocate Rakesh Mahobam represented the petitioner. The court said the state government may submit counter affidavit in the case. The next hearing of the case is on 11th of July. Mention may be made that former JCRPS convener Khomdram Ratan was declared wanted by the State Police Department, alleging him to be a member of banned outfit UNLF and a cash reward of 5 lakh rupees on any leading to his arrest.
Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West 1 gi court gi case asigi mari lenana magi mathakta lokhaliba FIR amasung wanted lauthoiba sigi mari lenaba relevant case recordsing High Court pikal nanaba kaukhre magi mathakta wanted tek lauthoiba se lali haina mana thabagi case se ko High Court na logi bagalonana mari lenaba Police Department da aduga sarkar da che chang mari lenaba wanted tek tagibagi FIR lokhalapigi leiba punamak asi pikalakadabani aduga makhatana court na kupna khanaraba matungda kapam thokpra thoktabra haibido khanaba tare.
A month-long series of press conferences of heads of departments of various state government departments organized by Department of Information and Public Relations began today at the department's complex at Yai School. The series of press conference is held with the objective to sensitize the development activities taken up by the departments. State Chief Secretary Oinam Navakishore launched the event where Director of Agriculture Department met the media persons on the first day. Speaking on the occasion, Oinam Navakishore said efforts are on to fully mechanize the agricultural activities. He also said plans are on to produce agricultural produces without using chemical fertilizers. He also informed that Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana aimed at providing water to every agricultural land has been launched in the state. Director and top officials of Agriculture Department gave detailed report on various projects and programs taken up by the department.
Koi district irrigation plan se kan semi Manipur su no masi nodal department se agriculture department no oi koi IFCT no ohen se na hai rumni yarakte sumna hoji ki chemical fertilizer se sina banata ba organic ke ba mohongda farming tawraga koi ge cheng puthokpo bu orasu natraga koi ge horticulture crop puthokpo su chung program kaya packet na ba koi thorang lere organic farming se tawbudi ma se yam initial stage ni ho bu se kya hodri hai bi ai North Eastern State today hoji Sikkim khakdani entire state se organic haina kan torsi Manipur da su khoi na organic is the main focus se horticulture rom no focus tawi.
Department of Agriculture Director of Agriculture Department Louis Sai now said Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture are being successfully implemented in the state and farmers are given high yielding species of rice to increase the rice produce in the state.
Plant Health Clinic, aduga koi agriculture modernization in hill area, aduga koi popularization of gauna haina shu shida koi Manipur government shu kan hot nachari har piri she aduki kanaba farmers na phangmani na makoi na per hectare per area da makoi yield to normal yield pangidana fertilizer chi haplam dredi koi hujik Manipur da leriba per hectare da average da 2.6 in average the hill shu auraga tambak shu auraga 2.6 pange which is higher than the national average tanyaba.
Director of DIPR Megha Chandra Kongbam said the initiative of meeting top officials of various departments with the media is to highlight the activities taken up by each department in the state.
Manipur gumba aikoi lebak aikoi jati mayamu kuntra community kuntra te leba tonga ba jati leba mafam asidadi mi mayam singsida aikoina medai kuthangda kamai kamdongna aikoina सरकार पाइखलिब थबक थरांगसिंग असि मयाम द खंगलगा अखोगी प्रजागा अखोगी सरकार की मरक्ता अफब मरी मा म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग अमा अनमाइना लेहनगदगे हाइबा अदुगी वखलोन दुगी मखादुदा अखुना मसि थरांगसि चथजबनी.
A large number of students, led by All Manipur Students Union (MSU), stormed the Directorate of Minorities and Other Backward Classes at North AOC today. The students were protesting against the non-disbursement of scholarship for the students of minority and other backward classes from 2013 till 2016. The protesting students tried to meet the director, but they found the directorate office locked. Later, police arrived at the office and tried to control the situation. The 6 students' representatives were not allowed to meet the director as they were told he was not present at the office. MSU Secretary General Manjit Laisangthem said the scholarship given under the Ministry of Minorities Affairs and Ministry of Social Justice Empowerment being halted by the MOBC director and other officials in the state is unfortunate. Manjit threatened to take out intense agitation in case the amount is not given to the students at the earliest. It may be mentioned that earlier MSU had locked the office of MOBC Director Office for not providing scholarship to the students.
PK Singh Committee की inquiry report लेबक म्याम द खंगंदब सिना department असगी official सिंग अमदि मरी लेना बलेंगा कि मियोई सिंग मानरकांद लौतुनुब मानब थोम खक चथरकांद लमदम सिगी minority अमदि OBC मेहरु सिंग एबा लाइरब खुनाई म्याम की फंगफम थोलब चाकथुंग मतले हाइबसि तसिंग मयक सिंग फॉर्म मक ओइ हाइतारे मरम मदुना ngasi tasengna department asigi mari lenaba director amadi official singna manipur lengak na charak pidrabadi MSU gi makai di makha taba akanba khongjang jangsenaba matam punamuk ta sem sar.
A 3-member team of Press Council of India reached Imphal today on 2-day visit. The team of Ravindra Kumar, K. Amarnath and C.K. Nayak were warmly received by All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Wanghemcha Syamjai, General Secretary Jeet Ningumba, Standing Committee members K. Saroj Sharma, S. Nanda and Amju advisor N. Tombiraj at the Imphal International Airport. The main agenda for the team's visit is to discuss the challenges faced by the journalists of the state, including the summon issued by National Investigation Agency. Speaking to Impact TV, C.K. Nayak said the team will meet with several stakeholders to discuss the major challenges faced by the state's journalists. He further added that the team will also meet the Manipur Chief Secretary, DGP, officials of Home Department and NIA officials to discuss the same, while they will also try their best to meet the Chief Minister.
Press Council has formed a committee, subcommittee rather, to find out the problems in the conflict areas, problems of reporting, problems of journalists in the conflict areas. So recently there are some problem because of the NIA advisory, and there are also some problem because of that non-circulation of all newspapers. So Press Council decided that team should go there and find out what is the problem and what remedial action can be taken. So we will try to meet all stakeholders, journalists, government officials, NI officials. We would like to meet anybody who is interested and anybody who is a stakeholder in this issue. We like to meet all.
Manipur People's Party in a press release extends warm wishes to the Muslim brothers for the upcoming festival of Eid ul-Fitr. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM Lamlai Mandal today stormed the Chief Minister's bungalow. BJYM Lamlai Mandal were protesting as the locals of Lamlai are yet to receive rice under the National Food Security Act. At around 1:30 this afternoon, a large number of Lamlai locals led by BJYM Lamlai Mandal on Konung Mamang Road marched towards CM's bungalow shouting slogans. They were stopped by police personnel near Forest Department head office near Sanjanthong. 5 representatives of BJYM Lamlai Mandal were allowed to speak with the Chief Minister. BJP Manipur Pradesh active member K.H. Ivomcha accused Lamlai Assembly Constituency MLA Khetrimayum Biren, who is also CAF and PD Minister, of not providing rice to the people.
Say the one a pig harise, Katai the Sakibno sings, Kanana Lohino, or Pisna Kahori Bra, Karino Habitu Madam Piu Habisu, Madam Jesus saying the people of the Boina. Gomena soon a piggy botonoina poroga when what P. the Arroy, I don't know, seeing the N. Bearoina, Lamlai Kendra, almost I am ba village Yankai Mukse, Masigi, I am by 80% city, seeing and Tokoyaroena, Myra Paibi, Club. अदुदगा कोई विलेज अथॉरिटी न लोइना थिंगगा लय होजी एलहंददना केप एंड पीडी की मिनिस्टर्स दी अखोई थाजब लैत्रे मरम दि मान पिरकपा एक्सप्लेनेशन मा एम कन्विंसिंग ओइदबा हाइतारे थोइबे सुजिगा मान गांथोरपा सी चा चाना दब सुना पियो हाइग्रमनि दम हाइबा ऑफिस चतना हंगु कांदा डीसी दा अदगी डीएसओ दा चत हंगु कांदा मोय लोइ मखु थांकले अखोई कैम तो उपाय लैते मोइना हाइजबे वानी अदो अखोई सुना पिग्रे अखोई लमनाई केंद्र दी तौरसी एजेंट का मंत्री ओइरिबसिगा अनिसी मानरगा नेब सानरिसि मरक प्ले
Patsoi Block Congress Committee today slammed the news report that 17 PDS fair price shop agents have joined BJP as an attempt to malign the Block Congress Committee by some vested interests. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Vice President of the committee, Sadopam Nongpok Nganba said the 17 agents in association with the BJP is playing a political game for some benefits. He asked how can a person without party identification card and enrollment number be called a member of Patsoi Block Congress Committee and claim the said 17 persons have nothing to do with the committee. Sadopam Nongpong Nganba also added that selection for fair price shop agents have been completed on 31st of March.
Patsoi Kendra ki miyam punamangna laiba thoksin ase akhoi laiba general election ki damakta kudong saba loba amasung Congress fu maithiba piba ngamnabagi honajaba makhan mathiangi angak lalong yana khanbiyu aduga mase kaidongaidasu oithoroi doba miyam ne khangba asumma magi da sapa natabani na khangnaba wafamni maramaduna asimma thawonsing ase asi makha tabda tawbidana ba amasung leibak miyam na su makhoibu khangjinbiyu.
Former Minister L. Jayantakumar today alleged that there is no sign of implementation of National Food Security Act in Kaisamthong constituency. He claimed beneficiaries have not received specific National Food Security Act cards till today. He also added that they do not know the fair price shop agents. Speaking to media persons at his residence at Pisumthong, L. Jayantakumar said it is learned from the department concerned that application forms and the cards are with the MLA. He appealed to the MLA and the authority concerned to look into the matter. Newly elected corporators of the constituency were also present at the press meet.
Lejada moi sanga udi putok che paja khara dam ru tor ga seng gi ba card sin hoji kara bai chakra ke card line of akoi form je kada bai lei ge na have je ma se it is untraceable thi ba khangdre praja gi mihut oini hetena lakpi ba tar ga di अखोइना कैसामनो केंद्र की लाइर प्रजा लाख अमगी मखादा फैमिली इनकम लेजब कांगबु सिंगने फंगम थों मखल हक अमा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सु शेयर अम हापब मी खुदिमकी केंद्र खुदिमकी मीनसु सिगी चेंगजे फंगनरब खै कोता फंगम थोक सियौन ओपीडे हबि क्लेम तोर मतम चिदा अखोइगी कैसाम केंद्र ते फॉर्म जे कराय लेगी खंगदे
7-day commercial floriculture training program kicked off at Henbong under Senapati district. The training program is organized by Foundation for Environment and Economic Development Services, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Henbong. Speaking at the opening ceremony of the training program, Satyendra Garg, Northeast Joint Secretary, Ministry of Home Affairs, said Centre is not against the inner line permit system bills. He further added that the state government should discuss the matter with the people and try to find a solution to the ongoing chaos and unrest in the state. He added the training program will help the youths to be economically independent. He assured of all possible help and support from the central government.
Ever since I joined Ministry of Home Affairs and handling Northeast, maybe my job is to handle situations which are not so good, and you know the situations. Like Manipur itself has given me enough reasons to, talk to government of Manipur and maybe worry about many of the things, including whatever is going on. Like you have got all sorts of issues, including like even today, like 9 dead bodies are lying in Churatalpur. So maybe my focus is more on security and internal security and overall security situation in Northeast.
Polito's Quick Chicken restaurant and fast food chain group has opened their new franchise at Singjamai, Chingamathak today. Different chicken menu were served at the fast food today. It may be worth mentioning that the first Polito's restaurant was opened at Thamiban in front of TM College Gate. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Ready Go, with 800cc. Subnatagi Lak Anigalising Punipan Piba car Asigi features Singdi, ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer, Bukto Bihoro, Gariasi, Ngasimak showroom the Latuna Lady, test drive Kidamak, Lexin Birao, Island Nissan, near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. In the Mohammad Rahman death case, locals of Thoubal Mojing Wang Mataba have strongly condemned and refuted charges leveled against two brothers of the same locality. The locals refuted charges leveled against 34-year-old Jakau Rahman and his younger brother Atikur Rahman, son of Batur Rahman of Thoubal Mojing Wang Mataba. Both the brothers are accused of killing Mohammad Rahman of Mojing Wang Mataba on 29th of June. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Imam Sahib Nazaruddin said on the night of 29th of June, a drive was carried out at the house of Naha Itho, a drug peddler. Some 6 to 7 drug abusers, including late Mohammad Rahman, were found at the house. All of them promised and took oath in the masjid that they will not use drugs again. Later, late Mohammad Rahman left for his house. The next day, he was found dead. Imam Sahib Nazaruddin appealed to the authorities to release both the brothers, Zakau Rahman and Atikur Rahman, as they are not involved in the case.
Maramdi thadok taba taragadi drive chathurui bai koi leiriba mohalla da mipung khudimasi koi bo arrest wu haibasi koi hayang chu chatkini koi are pani pung kun mari ge manung dam koi ni bo thadok piu haibuni.
Social worker and BJP active member Ningombam Helendro today dedicated a shed for Mangjil Maira Lamjing Lupkam office of Women Welfare Organization Kanglei Park at Brahmapur Khongman Mangjil. Prominent members of both the organizations and locals attended the event. Speakers at the event reminded the role of women in any mass movement, but stressed on lack of proper places for gathering. However, speakers thanked and lauded the measure taken up by Helendro from his own capacity. The 16th Foundation Day of Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council was observed at Boroikhal, Ziribam. The council's president and Bimol Maitai and the people who gathered for the event discussed on the problems faced by the people of Boroikhal. The people who attended the event appealed to the concerned authorities to look into the problems in education and healthcare sector. In view of the 67th Van Mahotsav, saplings were planted and distributed at the Moirang SDO office complex. The event was jointly organized by SDO Moirang and Bishnupur Forest Division. SDO, SDC, District Forest Officer, and many local residents of Moirang took part in the event. Moreh Custom Preventive Force today conducted a social service at No Man's Land, Moreh Gate Number 2. Volunteers of Moreh Custom Preventive Force laid stones on the slippery roads caused by the incessant rain. A team of Manipur State Museum yesterday visited Phaipizang, Monloi Circle, Chandel District and inspected the construction of War Museum at Senam Village. The team, led by curator of Manipur State Museum, Imphal, Y. Binita Devi, saw the war relics still preserved by the Second World War Memorial Foundation, Manipur's museum located at Phaipizang. The team appreciated the hard work put in preserving the relics and suggested easy and effective way of preserving antiques. Now some sports news. ITA Under-16 Boys and Girls Championship Series tennis tournament kicked off today at Officers Club, Nafilpat. Atap defeated Venushwar by 9-0. Rahul Panmay defeated Deepak by 9-4. Luching Lukram defeated Gaurav by 9-1. Justice Panmay defeated A. Mahesh by 9-1. Rihan Brahman defeated M. Nishanath by 9-0. Kothari Nihal defeated Kataria Yub by 9-4 and Hashil Srujan defeated T.H. Rajiv by 9-2 in the boys category on the opening day today. The tournament is organized by Manipur Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association.
Manipur da leiba sanaroi sing koi tennis player nupa masa nupi masa singsina All India gi ranking da yaw na ba matam da guardian sing na koi gi paisa ting dana outside ta chatna saisi da koi na horse oina ta utar di koi gi Manipur da leiba angang sing gi koi gi kanaba point sing upgrade to ba loina na koi atopa state sing digi lakpa apa ranking players sing siga sana dana makoi gi develop tongna ba adugi team na aikoina Manipur Tennis Association na pangthok chabani.
And in football, France have entered into the semi-finals of the 15th UEFA Euro Cup 2016. In the fourth quarter-finals played in the morning today, France outclassed Iceland 5-2. O. Giroud scored 2 goals in the 12th and 59th minute, while a goal each was by P. Pogba, D. Payet and A. Griezmann in the 19th, 42nd and the 45th minute. The goals for Iceland were scored by K. Singh Thorsson and B. Zemason in the 56th and 84th minute. 24 countries competed in the championship organized by Union of Europe Football Association. Portugal will take on Wales in the first semi-finals on 7th of July at 12:30 midnight, while Germany will lock horns with host France on 8th of July. And in cricket, host West Indies and Indian cricket team will play 2 warm-up matches and 4 test matches from 9th of July till the 22nd of August. The Indian team will leave for West Indies tour under new coach Anil Kumble. Virat Kohli is the captain of the Indian cricket team. 6 batsmen, 3 all-rounders, 2 wicket-keepers and 6 bowlers, including the new test bowler Shardul Thakur, will play in the test series. The first test match is scheduled from 21st July till the 25th of July in Antigua. The second match is from 30th of July till the 3rd of August in Jamaica. The third test match will be played from 9th of August till the 13th of August in St. Lucia. The fourth and the final test match will be played from 18 August till the 22nd of August in Port of Spain. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh meets JCs of both communities of Nungai village, assures police outposts, appeals to the villagers of both communities to maintain peace and harmony. High Court of Manipur hears Khomram Ratan's petition, issues notice to Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West to submit records and documents for declaring Ratan as wanted. Month-long series of press conference with the head of the various departments begins. DIPR says the meet is aimed to sensitize the development activities taken up by the departments. MSU storms Directorate of Minorities and Other Backward Classes Office for not providing scholarship from the year 2013 till 2016. And 3-member team of PCI team arrives in Imphal on 2-day visit. Team to meet several stakeholders to discuss challenges faced by this journalist.